Ready to trade gas fumes for pure electric torque? In this video, we're ranking the top 5 electric ATVs that deliver real off-road thrill with low noise, easy maintenance, and big smiles. From rugged teen quads to budget-friendly starters, stay to see number 1. It might surprise you. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have SUNDERWELL 36-volt 500-watt electric ATV, the best budget 36-volt electric ATV for growing riders. If you want four-wheeler vibes without blowing the budget, this SUNDERWELL delivers off-road fun. A torquey 500-watt motor fed by a 36-volt 12 amp-hours battery lets young riders zip up to a parent-selectable top speed. Low for new riders, high when confidence grows. So skills build safely. Tubeless pneumatic 4.106 tires plus front and rear suspension soak up backyard bumps, gravel driveways, even light trail ruts, keeping the ride smoother and smiles bigger. Front and rear disc brakes plus dual headlights help riders stay in control and be seen when daylight fades. What I love most is that adjustable 2-speed setup paired with suspension hardware, rare at this price, and it means one machine can grow with your rider. Assembly takes a little time, and the sealed lead-acid battery adds weight and longer charge cycles, but it's tough and inexpensive to replace compared with many lithium packs. Runtime is typically around 45 to 60 minutes of active play. Plug in overnight and you're ready for the next adventure. Ready to see a trusted brand name that many parents start with? Stick around. Number 4 is coming up next. At number 4, we have Perego Polaris Outlaw Citrus 12-volt ride-on, the best trusted brand starter electric ATV. Looking for a first real quad that feels adventurous yet stays parent manageable? The Polaris Outlaw Citrus nails that balance. Its 12-volt rechargeable system drives 2 selectable forward speeds, about 2.5 miles per hour for new riders and up to 5 miles per hour when they're ready, plus reverse, so kids practice real ATV maneuvers. Wide, knobby high-traction wheels handle grass, packed dirt, and uneven backyard terrain better than the slick plastic wheels on bargain ride-ons, keeping the fun going beyond the driveway. Foot pedal accelerator with automatic brakes, lift to stop, teaches throttle discipline while adding a built-in safety net. A second gear lockout lets adults limit speed until skills improve. Huge confidence booster. What I love most, Perego's durable build and part support. These things get handed down between siblings. The styling, fenders, sporty frame, bold citrus graphics makes kids feel like they're riding a mini pro quad. What I don't like, the stock battery takes several hours to recharge and spirited riding can drain it faster on grass. The upside is that downtime encourages helmet water brakes and spare Perego batteries swap in easily. Ready to jump from starter fun to more voltage, bigger motors, and tunable speed control. Wait till you see number 3. Still searching for the perfect electric ATV? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Hoverheart 36-volt 500-watt Kids Dirt Quad, the best adjustable speed electric ATV with parent control. Need a step-up machine when your rider graduates from 12-volt toys? Hoverheart brings real punch. Its 500-watt motor and 36-volt drivetrain deliver brisk takeoff and a top speed parents can set with the keyed selector. Choose a tamer approximately 7 miles per hour learning mode, or open it up to about 12 miles per hour when skills improve. Dual suspension and air-filled knobby tires help it track over packed dirt, grass, and light trails with less jarring, so kids ride longer before fatigue. Disc braking adds stopping confidence on slopes. Range is quoted at roughly 8 to 10 miles per charge, plenty for multiple backyard loops or campground runs between plug-ins. Capacity up to about 140 pounds means taller kids can still ride, extending value. Chain drive and accessible components make routine tightening straightforward. What I love most, the combo of grow with me speed control plus real suspension at this size. It feels like a mini big quad. What I don't like, assembly alignment, wheels chain, can take patience. Yet that hands-on setup lets you double-check everything for safety before the first ride. Ready to see a 4WD two-seater that lets siblings share the fun? Don't miss number 2. At number 2, we have Hikiddo 24-volt 4WD Kids ATV two-seater, the best 4WD family adventure electric ATV. When two kids want in on the action, this Hikiddo makes sharing easy. A roomy extended bench and 77-pound combined load rating let siblings ride together, while 4 200-watt drive motors put all-wheel traction to work on grass, gravel, and light yard trails. The 24-volt battery and 2 selectable speeds, training mode and up to about 5 to 6 miles per hour, help new drivers start slow, then level up. Parents get peace of mind. A 2.4 GHz remote can step in to steer, brake, or dial back speed. Great for crowded driveways or coaching first rides. Spring suspension and chunky treaded wheels tame bumps, so kids stay comfy and confident. Working LED headlights, taillights, plus built-in music, Bluetooth USB MP3, crank up the play factor, especially at dusk parties. What I love most, genuine two-seater fun and parental override, rare combo that keeps everyone smiling. What I don't like, the weight limit means bigger kids may outgrow riding double sooner. Silver lining, lighter load lets the motors feel peppier and makes garage parking easier. Think 4WD is fun. Our number 1 pick brings teen-level torque. Don't miss it. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Razor Dirt Quad 500, the best overall electric ATV for teens and off-road fun. Looking for a youth ATV that delivers real trail thrills without the gas station hassle? The Razor Dirt Quad 500 hits the sweet spot. A gutsy, high-torque, 500-watt motor fed by a 36-volt battery pack pushes this steel-framed beast up to about 9 miles per hour. Fast enough to feel exciting, slow enough for parents to stay calm. 14-inch knobby pneumatic tires bite into dirt, gravel, and grassy slopes, while the adjustable riser handlebar lets taller riders dial in comfy control. A rear coil over suspension and droop travel fork soak up bumps that leave toy ride-ons rattling, so teens can carve turns for a full 40 to 60 minutes before recharging. Hand-operated disc brakes scrub speed confidently, and shatter-resistant fairings shrug off occasional tip-overs. What I love most, the weight capacity, up to 220 pounds, means the Dirt Quad 500 doesn't get outgrown overnight. Friends, or even lightweight adults, can hop on and join the adventure. What I don't like, the sealed lead-acid batteries add heft and take longer to charge than lithium packs, yet they're budget-friendly to replace and deliver consistent power even in cooler temps. This is a legit mini ATV that teaches real riding skills while saving ears and the environment from two-stroke noise. Gear up, hit the backyard trail, and enjoy the silent grin factor that only Electric Torque can provide. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best electric ATVs. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which electric ATV you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.